Boom. All right. Happy New Year, everybody. I haven't really posted in a very long time, but I kind of just want to go over the trade I took today and kind of give you guys an update on how it's been going. Um, let me see. I kind of changed my chart colors and everything. Just, I don't know. I think it looks pretty solid, just testing it out. But I'm going to hop into replay mode off here and just show you guys what I was seeing on the high time frame. So yeah, I don't know. Today, you can see we had a little bit of a downtrend here in the Asian session, and then London session we had manipulation, reversal. I should have just expected it to reverse, and that was pretty much it. But let me just go ahead and get rid of all these lines here. I just wanted to react to the chart as well and just go based off of my edge and what I was seeing. So, yeah, let me show you guys that. Boom, boom. Let's see here. This would have been. All right. So we could see here it swept very early. And looking at the higher time frame, just like going on the 15 and everything. Boom, bada boom. I can see we have this gap here. Oh, shit. This right here is honestly something I should have been a little bit more cautious of, knowing price was going to want to go down to fill out this new week opening gap. Should have been more cautious of that. I did see it, and my initial bias on the day was bearish. Not only did we get a sweep already at the top, um, we also got an SMT right there as well with ES leading, but I said, let me react to what price actually does. So I just waited and let's just go through it, see what it is. Boom, dumps immediately. Do. Boom. We create a new low right here on both ES and NASDAQ. The good thing about it is the chart really did line up today. Like everything was going smoothly. And of recent days, they've been kind of doing different things. So, boom, let's see here. Just keeps going. Make this right here. Make this new high. So when I see sweeps early on, I want to look for some low time frame manipulation on the 5 minute. So boom, price comes, and this is what I first saw. This was at 10:10. I see on ES, price comes and takes out this new low we created. NASDAQ stays above it. So I look for the 1 minute on here. I didn't even know I could do that. Okay. I look for the 1 minute on NASDAQ. Boom. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Doesn't want to give me it. Boom. Breaks through that. I say, okay, SMT gone. Get rid of that. We stay on the 5 minute and we just see how price reacts here. So boom. Right there. Newer low here. Newer low created. Unlike the other one, obviously. Or actually, I'm like, yeah. So new low created. We broke through the other one on both. But then I see this. From London session lows, we see price on ES go past it, and we see NASDAQ stay above. So I'm like, holy shit, we are golden here for longs to see price on NASDAQ literally just go boom all the way up to this guy. I'm like, we are chilling. I only need $1,000 for my pay. So this is for sure gonna smack and hit. Boom, we hop on the 1 minute. I'm looking at a couple things here, looking at a couple things. Um, One sec here. What did I really see? So let's take it back a notch. So boom, right after I see that, and then I see this candle create right here, I'm like, we are golden. I go to the 1 minute. I'm waiting here. I see this retested. I'm not too happy with that. Boom, retested, but we did. inverse this fair value gap. So I'm like, let's just see how it reacts off of this right here. And it's like it's pretty solid on both indexes here. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm like, let's just wait and react off of that. Boom, rips through. Absolutely rips through here. I'm like, okay, we're good to go long. We're good to go long. You know, we got the SMT that we were looking for here. See here, we got the SMT on NASDAQ letting us know that we are just going to rip up to these highs. I didn't take the trade on NASDAQ because I'm not trying to risk that much, and NASDAQ does just take a little bit more money to use. So I actually ended up taking this trade right here on ES. It was lit. I went and let me see. I went long here. I put my stops down here. And I think it was like all the way up here that I was going for, like something like that. It was like a 3.11 RR, and I was like, okay, this is money. I risked like less than 400 on this trade, and I was like, this for sure will hit if I'm expecting NASDAQ to literally just like go all the way over here from this SMT. Like I'm expecting NASDAQ to just rip up from here, so I'm like, I'll definitely catch it. In ES, like no doubt, right? Like I'll definitely catch that in ES. And what do you know? I get a little bit scared here because I'm like, shit, on NASDAQ, it's got so much room to just go down here and do its thing. On NASDAQ, it could go past this, which would ultimately take me out of this trade. But I'm like, all right, let's just let it play out, see what happens here. Boom, kind of does its thing. I'm like, all right, it's getting pretty low here. Maybe we'll come back up. Boom. I'm like, all right, seeing some strong bullish intent, and then next thing you know, I get stopped out here. I go back on NASDAQ. I'm like, okay, maybe I can take another trade here. Boom, just wait for it to get a little bit lower. Still creating that SMT. It was probably like this right here. And I set like a limit order, canceled that shit immediately. I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing? I gotta lock in, bro. Because no matter what, from where this trade took place, boom, immediately rips through that. SMT, no longer valid. Yeah, but we go here and go on my trade sinker. Lost about 1100 on the day, but about 368 on all three accounts. Not too mad, honestly. I took a loss, but it followed all the rules that I wanted to follow. And I really can't be too mad at that. Like, it's crazy from right where I traded, it just immediately shot down. But you take some wins, you take some losses. I followed my trading plan and it worked. I mean, obviously it didn't work, but you know, I had good risk management on this trade. I stuck to my rules, nothing to be mad about. Because next time that happens, most likely if I stick to my rules, it'll go the way I want to. I have been noticing though, when we get these pre-market sweeps, obviously it's just gonna dump. But I'm just like, I really want to wait for a better trade, and it came all the way down and took out these London session lows. I mean, yeah, London session lows. So I was like, you know, this is good. We have a sweep of those lows. Possibly could go higher here. Ended up not going higher. No bueno. But you know, happens. So maybe we'll see that reverse here. But I'm out of the charts for the day, and I could really care less what price does because I am done for the day. So perfect. If you guys watch this, oh, let me actually show you guys what it's been looking like here. You can go on my TradeZella. I started off the month really nice, banger 1.6K trade. Another trade here. It was looking like I was going to evaluate this 50K select account. And next thing you know, I lose this trade. I'm like, cool. Lost 500. I'm back to like 1500. Next thing you know, I risked a little bit too much, lost it. Next thing you know, I lost 500. I got a little bit greedy. Went again, lost $1.46 thousand that week. I'm still up, net positive right now. Not after today because I lost 390 something. But I got like my account cooked because I guess I lost $2,000, or like I was up like 2,100 and now I'm at like $13. So I guess I lost the 2,000 that you're not allowed to lose. But if we look here, I mean, trade win percentage is not the best. I'm gonna keep it a stack, 2 out of 3, but the average win to loss is pretty gnarly, which means one thing: my risk to reward and my risk management is doing pretty good. This is all right. I don't really know if that's 40% win rate out of the days, I guess. And profit factor, anything above 1 is a profitable system. Obviously, 1.01 is barely just there. So we're just going to kind of ride it out and see if there's any tweaks I need to make. But can't be too mad at this. I mean, it is December price action and New Year's is tonight. And yeah, so yeah, it looks like it might be actually going up from this point on, which it is what it is. I'm going to hop off the charts before I even think about revenge trading that. But yeah, I mean, I'm not too mad at today. You know, I got to detach myself from making money and focus on just what I'm doing, which is the strategy at hand. So I think overall it was a decent day. Obviously, didn't get the outcome that we were hoping for, but um, can't be mad. I followed my rules, and that's just what happens. Sometimes you take some L's. But yeah, going into the new year, optimistic. I feel like 2026 is going to be a good year, and I feel like I'm really dialing in right now. I think it's the perfect time right before the new year starts and price action starts getting a little bit better day by day, and then hopefully when I'm reaching um, a really good disciplined trading lifestyle, um, that's when price action will probably be the best, and it's going to be very excited. Very exciting, and I'm excited to see what the future brings. I'm not giving up, even though I'm taking these losses, like 4 lost days back to back to back. I just got to figure it out, you know. And I think a couple of these days I was you know, just trying to get the profit. Like I was this close, and I got like the these two, and I needed $500, and maybe I just traded that in revenge and just like, you know, was just trying to get that. So I just got to detach and really dial in, and that's what I've been doing past couple weeks. So took this whole kind of week off and then came back today. Took a loss. It's okay though. So there's gonna be more opportunities in the market, and yeah, I'm excited to see what the future holds. But thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna continue to document this journey. Solid. See ya.